also going to have Shred 80, Adam Perkins. Luke Sobey is going to be here as well. Got the No Sins Customs vehicle as well. Alex Zeisiger is in one of the vans as well as Kyle Antonovich, Christopher Pulverty, as well as Keith McGee, former winner and defending winner of the 2.4 Hours of Mullets, teammates along with Derek from Vice Grip Garage. And Steven, the son of Brent from PFI Speed, making his Van Prix debut here tonight. And the green flag has come out, and we are underway in the Van Prix. Will we have any takers on lap number 1? Of course we are. Oh, they faked us out.
Faked us. You went to the outside of it.
A couple of, and we've got a taker. 64. And it looks like 8 will continue on pretty well.
He only has to hit it one time, so he's used up his quote already.
A couple of drivers making some big maneuvers coming out of turn number 2. It looked like a couple drivers might be headed towards that ramp, but opted to go elsewhere. Entertainment up and through the air.
Well, maybe lost the left rear paw a little bit.
Yeah, it looks like he's still that tail's wagging a little bit still, so I think he's doing all right. We've got trouble with that in turn number 1. The sketch van has gone around right in front of the rest of the field. Everyone having to take evasive maneuvers. Going up in the air as well. And man, for Robbie and Heather, you think that Robbie and Tim, they've got to endure that race later on. Pretty much, and there goes the left paw off the back of the Airborne Entertainment cars. You see the battle here going on up front as looks like big air that time.
Oh, we got them using the ramp now. We still got a few that's not used it.
Getting on the top 2 bands, it looks like they're going to be
Airborne Entertainment. He says, my name's Cart Airborne. I'll just keep on airborne over this ramp.
And you know what? I'll tell you what, that thing is holding up pretty well.
Shred 80 just went over all over the 64 man. Something came flying off.
Oh, big time problems coming out of turn number 4. It's